Do you want to embed videos in your WordPress blog posts? Videos bring life to your website, and they are a great way to increase user engagement. WordPress comes with a great feature called Auto Embeds, which allow your website to automatically get the embed code from the popular video hosting service like YouTube. All you need to do is paste the video URL into the WordPress editor. For example, you can copy the YouTube URL for a video that you want to embed. Next, edit the WordPress post or page where you want to add the video and simply paste the URL in the content area. After you have added the video, you can change its settings from the block toolbar and settings column on the right. You can adjust the video width, make it full width, change alignment, and more. You can also add a caption and preserve the video's aspect ratio on mobile devices. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.